backstory here. So Cindy did paint this front lip a couple weeks ago. Well, it held up pretty good as far as making it to San Francisco and back, but as you can see, it did not survive the rainstorm that we were in last week. We'll let her work. I'm not gonna hover around too much. We'll check back in a few. A little bit of progress, sanding this thing down.
I don't think it can be bad as we call it.
Time for primer. Promising. Laying down the color now. This is by no means a how to paint a front lip video. What's going on, guys? It's your boy out here, Boom Boom Tisk. Thanks for tuning in. We are out here today in El Monte, California. Nice little neighborhood, but we're actually here for the Arcraft grand opening hosted by Type R Jose. He's got a couple of his friends also going to be there, so we're going to check it out. There's like absolutely no parking around here because we're in this like nice little neighborhood, but as you can see, yeah, so everybody's just trying to find parking, ourselves included. We're walking a couple of blocks, so it's going to be that kind of morning. Like just walking over to the event, look at this, just cars randomly scattered, so it's gonna be a little hard for me to like walk around and check out a bunch of cars, you know, since literally like every different corner around here blocks on over. It's just, yeah. We got this S2000 over here, super dumpling Regas, looking good. Got an NSX, another FK8 right there, pull it up. Probably trying to find parking like the rest of us here. Got EK Teddy over here. Damn, looking good. Got a decent parking spot. FK8 over here. More Type R's, of course. And then we have the Art of Attack EK9 over here. Real deal EK9. I believe it's K-Series swapped as well. Got the Cusco cage in there. I think that's a J's wing on the back, so yeah, definitely suits the lineup here. The Type R vibes. Hey, look who it is. We got the OG over here, Mr. Bone Out Racing, BRG fam, you know?
What up?
So, by the way, shout out to the BRG fam everywhere, you know, USA, LA, Japan, Manila. Yeah, just want to say what's up, show some love. Arcraft, this right here, all the white Hondas. I swear, 2024 is the year of the white Honda. Look at this. Hey, you can take a look under it too. But we got Type R Jose's Integra RS over here. Very proven track car. Most of you guys would recognize it if you're in the area. And then we have some more cars as well. We got an Integra Type R over here, right-hand drive. We got Mui ZK at the top over here. We've seen this car before, but now we can take a look under it. Very rare view. Yeah, so all white cars. It's crazy. You got the FA5 over here. Pretty clean, pretty simple, just on some Mag Blue CE28s. Advan A 52 tires, nice. Damn. Take a look up close here. It looks like carbon fiber weave all in the front. Sick. All gutted. This is Jose's FK8. He's been developing a lot of stuff for this car, pushing the limits here as far as what you can do, how light you can make this car, how fast you can make it go around the track. And it's pretty cool to see someone, you know, really pushing these modern Hondas to, you know, break new grounds, break new records, you know, stuff that we haven't seen before. Just kind of keeping the whole tuning movement forward going on these hills. This is not something you see every day. Got an EP3 Civic Type R over here. Man, this is sweet. Got the MF10s on there in bronze with center caps. And it's right-hand drive, spoon shift knob. Very clean example of a Type R EP3 over here. Very nice. EA Civic over here. This one is super clean. By the way, I've been following this build, especially when Kodo Coatings had it. And he's done a ton of restoration to this car. Obviously, it already doesn't need much as it was, but he's like gone so far as like restored the tail lights, even more paint correction. And this car is just absolutely perfect. Like the just the caliber of this build, it's just absolutely insane everywhere you look. Like, all the seals are just so mint. And then of course under the hood right here, we got the B series with ITBs. Mil spec plug, that's pretty sick. No words, man. It's just mint. It's just clean. So all in all, well done build. Definitely represents some of the best builds we have out here in SoCal. That's seriously. Yeah. We taking a look outside over here. Got some vendors, of course. Everybody getting the photography. Hey, is that Frank K20C1? It is. What's up, man? Hey, good to see you. He's out here putting in work today, getting you some photos. Titan 7 booth. We got Sparkle. We got burgers over here. It's popping. Lloyd Spec Garage. Integra Type R over here. I was watching a video on this feature recently. This guy's got like 3 Type Rs. I know one of them he uses for the track. Some of them, well, all of them I believe have seen track time. But if I'm correct, this one is the one that he did like a full color change on. Like every inch of this car is now painted in red. I may be wrong though, but I really did enjoy the feature because he talked a lot about his philosophy for track racing. Like his track car even has AC and a radio because he drives it there, keeps you comfortable. So, and this car in person, yeah, it's really good. Minty, mostly OEM still too. Everything besides that cluster over there. I see a Mugen bezel, spoon shift knob, but besides that, Mugen pedals as well. Yeah, all stock. Cool. Yeah, Liberty Walk Toasty in the house. I wasn't expecting to see him out here, but he's out here in California. He's got an event he's getting ready to, so it's good to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
Thank you. Back outside here. The lineup of FK8s and FL5s posted up at this event today is absolutely insane. Just get a look at the street right here. And then, of course, we got just a casual Porsche pulled up right there as well. Hondas and Porsches are basically the same thing, right? We even got clean FA5s over here. Hurt my feelings right now. Yeah, so we got the homie Junebug over here. He said he's gonna pull up to the beat today. This is Junebug Type R spec. We're gonna check out this whole row of Civic Type Rs over here on the street and see if Junebug's interested. Yeah, like I said, this whole row. This is just one street, guys. I can see that everybody is doing well in the economy. We got the police over here keeping the peace, El Monte. And then we got a pair of FL5s right here. One is rocking the Falcon and one's rocking the Toyo tires. So, and both are on the Super Lap TEs. Interesting. Still there? And he's gone. Check this out. A little Honda 600 over here, but it's like a truck or something. Yeah, look at this. Little boot vibes. Take a look inside here. It apparently is a 2-seater somehow. The shifter, I don't know if you can see it, but it's funny. The shifter placement almost reminds me of like an EP3. I don't think you guys can see it, but hey, yeah. So it is getting very crowded. Hopefully we could still walk around and check out some cars. We got some Euros over here. Got the BMW. Usually they're just trying to make sure everybody's got, you know, proper parking, not blocking driveways, that kind of thing. For the most part, you keep it cool. Everybody keeps it cool, and that's what we're gonna do. Taking a look at this Integra Type R over here. I should get out of the street, huh? SW388 wheels and 16s. Advan tires on there. Very proper combo. What more can you ask for? Just simple, clean. Little spoon accessories with the wiper blades. Got a JDM front on there. Stock front lip. Spoon calipers, of course. And that's all you need. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Obviously, you know, they already took off. If you keep things cool, they keep moving. That's why we also just try to be respectful to events that we show up at, you know. Cruise out, try not to make too much of a scene, try not to leave trash, you know, that kind of thing, of course, right? Type R Jose over here. I know you can't hear me, but make sure to give him a follow. Check out what he's got going on with Arcraft and all that good stuff. And Type R Jose, of course. Yep. And we'll see him on the next one. For sure.
name it Type R June.
Type R June. Quick little short visit to Arcraft. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely really crowded. So a lot of people are out here to support the grand opening, and so it was cool to see everybody here all in one spot. Even just catching up with people that we normally would talk to, and yeah, damn. What do we got here?
Lemongrass chicken?
Lemongrass chicken.
Japanese lemongrass chicken.
Got some beef right here. Okay, and of course, Vietnamese coffee. Let's go. Parking garage, underground car meet style. Got the BRT fam out here after eating dinner. Right there, dude. Let's check out some cars. And we got the FK8 over here. Sitting on Wed Sports. Got the FA5 right here. This one is so clean compared to mine. I don't even want to show you my car, but this one is super sick. You got the rear diffuser, I think like Mugen RR style. Mag blue TEs. Got the 18s on there. Looks good. Hell yeah, USDM squad right here. Yeah. Running away from the camera. These guys don't like cameras, man. You gotta chase them down. Got the EK over here, Romel's EK. And then we got the FK8 over here. This right here is pretty dope. Mazda RX-8, some rotary love in the house. I love the way he did up this car. We were just talking about it. It's got like almost a GTR vibe, which was the theme that he was going for. And you can kind of see it, especially when you look at it right here. It's got some R35 vibes, I would say. Nice concave TEs. Car is resprayed in like a black cherry color, but it's hard to tell because it's pretty dark in the garage. Seriously though, very clean example of this car. Not something you see all the time, but when you do them right, and they're looking like this, it goes hard. Perfect for your hot day.
Let's get it.
Shoatsu. Arigato.
Which one do you start?
Which one do we pick first? Probably that one.
Yeah. More coffee.
All right, you guys, we are back in SD. One of the questions I get asked pretty often is, how was the drive up? Well, it's about an hour and a half to get from SD to LA. But early in the morning, there's no traffic, so it's pretty clear. It's an easy drive up, especially if you're driving your fun car. And if your fun car has AC, it's a cool drive. If your fun car doesn't have AC, it's probably gonna stay parked during the summertime. The way I see it, if your car can make it 15 minutes, or if you can make it 15 minutes without overheating, you can drive pretty much anywhere you wanna go. Just wanna say shout out to Type R Jose and Arcraft. Congratulations on your new shop space. Grand opening event was a crazy turnout, and we were glad to be part of it. He is definitely your go-to guy as far as like all this Type R stuff. I have a lot to learn when it comes to the newer cars. Obviously, you guys know I'm more familiar with the 90s era chassis and even other cars that are just more 80s and 90s. But I wanted to take you guys along. I wanted you guys to see what people are up to here in SoCal, and also to see someone pushing the boundaries on these newer Hondas is pretty cool. And so we want to support that. We also had a good time hanging out with the BRG fam, getting lunch, hanging out in parking garage, underground car meet style, and yeah, it was a good time. Shout out to the Bona Racing fam. Between here stateside to Japan and even Manila, it's awesome. You guys definitely show a whole lot of love and support to what we do, so we appreciate that. Shout out to everybody that we saw, everybody we shook hands with. It's always good seeing you guys, always good chopping it up and talking. As far as project updates goes, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of the FA5 stuff. You saw it's got wheels on it now. We're working on the front lip. We're hopefully gonna finish up painting it soon. I'll probably give you guys a little bit more detailed update as far as what's going on with that car. It's really simple stuff. It's a daily driver, so nothing crazy yet, but that's that. We got the EK over here. Definitely some updates are due for this car as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep you guys posted. We're gonna keep those videos coming. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like and subscribe. You guys have yourselves a good one. See you guys on the next one, and peace out. Damn.